Hello everyone, today, I will tell you how you can solve all your questions by just one single click.
You can search it from your laptop. Just go on Google page and type SOCRATICORG. Here the website appear, which explains how you can get solution of your questions by just uploading its picture or asking by using your voice.
This website help you finding all those website and relevant materials of your questions, as well as videos and lecture on this.
For example, you may ask, what is the difference between distance and displacement? And it will show you all those graph, charts and explanations which gives you answers to your question. It provides solutions to all these subjects problem like geometry, algebra, trigonometry, chemistry, physics, biology, poetry, drama and fiction. Powered by Google AI. You can also download this app in your mobile phone from Google Play Store and enjoy amazing features of this app. Thanks for watching. We'll meet you in the next video with some new amazing information.